Is sunflower oil healthy? Sunflower oil is made by pressing the seeds of the Helianthus annuus plant. It's often touted as a healthy oil, as it contains unsaturated fats that may benefit heart health. Although there are various health benefits associated with sunflower oil, it is important to remember that it is not recommended to consume too much of it. In this video, we will talk about the various types of sunflower oil and how they compare to other cooking oils. Different types of sunflower oil. There are 4 types of sunflower oil available in the United States, all of which are made from sunflower seeds that are bred to produce different fatty acid compositions. These include high linoleic, 68% linoleic acid, mid-oleic, New Sun, 65% oleic acid, high oleic, 82% oleic acid, and high stearic/high oleic, Nutrition, 72% oleic acid, 18% stearic acid. As their names suggest, some sunflower oils are higher in either linoleic or oleic acid. Both of these acids have 2 double bonds in their carbon chains. Linoleic acid is a type of polyunsaturated fatty acid, while oleic acid is a monounsaturated fatty acid. These 2 compounds can be liquid at room temperature. Linoleic and oleic acid are both sources of energy for the body and contribute to cell and tissue strength. However, they react in different ways to heat during cooking and therefore may have varying effects on your health. This type of sunflower oil is not meant for home cooking and instead may be used in packaged foods, ice creams, chocolate, and industrial frying. Nutrition facts for different sunflower oils. All the sunflower oils contain vitamin E, which is a fat-soluble nutrient that can protect cells from damage caused by aging. Sunflower oils do not contain protein, carbs, cholesterol, or sodium. The following table shows the various fatty acid composition differences between the 3 main types of sunflower oil used in home cooking. High linoleic, mid-oleic, New Sun, high oleic. Calories 120 120 120. Total fat 14 grams 14 grams 14 grams. Saturated 1 gram 1 gram 1 gram. Monounsaturated 3 grams 8 grams 11 grams. Polyunsaturated 9 grams 4 grams 0.5 grams. Possible benefits. The various health benefits associated with sunflower oil are mainly attributed to the high oleic varieties. A study suggests that a diet high in oleic acid can lower one's risk of heart disease. A study conducted on 15 healthy adults revealed that those who regularly consume high oleic sunflower oil had lower levels of bad cholesterol and triglycerides compared with those who rarely eat sunflower oil. Another study revealed that regular consumption of high oleic sunflower oil can increase HDL cholesterol levels. Other studies also suggest that regular consumption of high oleic sunflower oil can improve HDL cholesterol levels. Due to these findings, the FDA approved a qualified health claim for this type of oil. The FDA's approval of a qualified health claim for high oleic sunflower oil allows it to be labeled as a food that can help lower one's risk of heart disease. Despite the various studies supporting the consumption of high oleic sunflower oil, further research is needed to determine its exact effects on the heart. Negative effects. Despite the various health benefits associated with sunflower oil, there's still concern that its negative effects on the body can still be detrimental. High omega-6 content. Varieties of sunflower oil that are not high oleic contain more linoleic acid, also known as omega-6. One of the most commonly used types of sunflower oil in the US is the mid-oleic variety. It has a higher concentration of linoleic acid than the other 2 types. Despite the various health benefits of sunflower oil, many people still believe that its high omega-6 content can cause inflammation in the body. This is because linoleic acid is converted into arachidonic acid, which can produce inflammatory compounds. The consumption of too much linoleic acid from vegetable oils and a reduction in the amount of omega-3 fatty acids in the diet can lead to negative health effects. Studies have also shown that the arachidonic acid produced by the body when it's converted into omega-6 can increase the risk of developing obesity and other chronic conditions. Oxidation and aldehydes. Another issue with sunflower oil is its release of toxic compounds when it's heated to high temperatures. This issue can occur when it's used in deep frying applications. Sunflower oil is often used in high heat cooking, as it has a high smoke point, which is the temperature at which it starts to smoke and break down. However, studies show that a high smoke point does not correspond with an oil's stability under heat. A study conducted on the effects of different types of frying techniques on the release of aldehydes found that sunflower oil had the highest level of these compounds. Aldehydes are toxic substances that can damage the cells and DNA in the body. They can contribute to various chronic conditions such as Alzheimer's disease and heart disease. The longer that vegetable oil is exposed to heat, the higher the aldehydes it can emit. This is why it's important to use a low-heat cooking method when using sunflower oil. The high oleic variety of sunflower oil is known to have the highest level of stability when used in high-heat cooking. Sunflower oil versus common cooking oils. Although it has been shown that small amounts of high oleic sunflower oil can provide heart health benefits, it's still not recommended to consume too much of this type of oil. High linoleic or mid-oleic, sunflower oils likely do not have the same benefits and may also produce dangerous compounds during deep frying at high temperatures. On the other hand, olive and avocado oils are also rich in monounsaturated oleic acid but less toxic when heated. Palm, sunflower, and canola oils are also known to have stable properties when used in cooking. These oils have low levels of polyunsaturated fatty acids. While it's important to limit the amount of sunflower oil that you consume, other oils can provide better nutrition and performance when used in high-heat cooking. The bottom line. High oleic sunflower oil is thought to provide some benefits for heart health. Unfortunately, despite its health benefits, sunflower oil can still release toxic compounds when it's exposed to high temperatures. Some varieties also contain high levels of omega-6 fatty acids, which can cause inflammation in the body. Although it's important to limit the amount of sunflower oil that you consume, using it in low-heat cooking is generally fine. Olive and avocado oils can also provide better stability when used in high-heat cooking. Aside from being beneficial for heart health, choosing the right type of oil can also help lower the amount of saturated fat in your diet.